Here with Wheaton College junior Kelsey Meyer and senior Nick Fredette after day 2 of the NEWMAC Championships. Kelsey, we'll start with you first. Normally ask Barrett this question, but overall, just give us your thoughts on how the women's teams have done so far.
They've been doing really well. Everyone's been having a great atmosphere on and off deck. The ladies have been killing the times, and everyone's been really positive, cheering everyone, and everyone's just having a really good NEWMAC so far.
Nick, same question for you.
The guys' team's absolutely crushing it. There has never been so much cohesion between our teammates. We're just such a nice team. Everyone's just so, having just a great meet overall. Everyone has a great positive attitude. It's going phenomenally.
Kelsey, just talk about your day a little bit, kind of individually and relay-wise. 3 career bests, 2 in relays, 1 individual. Just take a look at the all-conference 200 free relay. Just talk about that first, what it meant to get all-conference in the 200 free relay.
I'm really happy. That's the best that relay's ever done so far since I've been here. And I'm just really proud of the ladies who have done my relay. We've been working so hard all year to get up there, and I'm just really happy for them.
Kelsey, just talk about what it means to you, 3 career bests in one day, obviously putting in the work year after year, and Barrett was pretty happy about it too. Just talk about what it means to you to have a day like that.
I'm really excited. I've never gone this fast before, and it's just really exciting to see how the hard work pays off, and so I'm really happy.
Nick, just talk about your 200 free relay with your teammate's school record, beat an 8 or 9-year-old record, so just talk about what that means to you.
It's wild, to be honest, especially because it's one of our coach's records. He was on the relay, and he was one of the all-time greats of Wheaton swimming, and it's just unreal to beat his record. So it's great. The group of guys are more than pumped to be a part of that, and I'm very excited to do that my senior year.
Nick, can you kind of just give us a little bit about what we'll expect tomorrow for both the men's and the women's teams?
Same thing, same great show. Everyone's playing to win at this meet. It's phenomenal. Everyone's just so fired up, and tomorrow morning is going to be the same deal.
All right, thanks Kelsey, and thanks Nick. Good luck tomorrow.
Yeah, thank you.